Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up and get started with CoinGecko for beginners. To create a new account on CoinGecko for beginners, first of all, go ahead and download the CoinGecko application from your App Store or your Google Play Store and launch it open. Once you end up in this welcome screen, you can continue signing up with Google, Apple, or email. I'm gonna tap on the email option, so let's tap on continue with email. Now, enter your email address you'd like to sign up and get started with. After you do that, click on continue with email. On the next page, you will need to create a password. Enter a password that is strong and click on create an account. While creating a password, make sure these criteria are included. On the next page, you will be asked to confirm your email. Open up your email inbox that you just registered with and you'll receive an email from CoinGecko which you'll need to tap open. Now click on confirm email to confirm your new email. After you do that, you'll be signed into the account. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications if asked, and answer some of the questions such as the coins that you are interested in. Select the coins from the options given below and click on add. Subscribe to daily newsletters if you want by tapping subscribe, or skip the step by tapping skip at the top right. Now you can go ahead and set up your preferred theme, currency, language, and then click on finish. And there you have successfully created an account for CoinGecko. Now after you have signed up, you can track crypto prices, create watch lists, and access portfolio tools. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing to the channel for more finance and crypto app guides. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.